In 2026, power tool innovation reaches new heights with the DeWalt DCPS612 Powershift chew-off saw. This saw is a game changer for anyone involved in high-intensity demolition or reinforced concrete work. It uses a 55 volts max battery system, delivering unprecedented torque. This means it matches or surpasses the cutting capacity of larger saws while being completely emissions-free. The Powershift platform revolutionizes the way we think about power tools. This saw's direct drive system eliminates power loss associated with traditional belt drives. Instead, it uses a robust gear-driven system. This means that when you apply pressure, the saw responds faster, making it highly efficient for heavy-duty tasks. The heart of the DCPS612 is its powerful brushless motor, engineered for optimal performance. It maintains a steady cutting speed even under load. With a maximum cut depth of 4.75 inches, the saw can handle reinforced concrete slabs like a pro. During our extensive testing, we found impressive results, especially in challenging conditions. The DCPS612 performed exceptionally well in cutting through both concrete and steel. It completed an impressive 156 cuts through number 5 rebar on a single charge, keeping its internal temperature well managed. When compared to its competitors, the DCPS612 shines. It offers superior maneuverability and a better depth-to-weight ratio. The Milwaukee MX fuel may provide a slightly deeper cut, but the DCPS612 is lighter and easier to handle for intricate indoor work. With an IP55 rating, the DCPS612 is built to withstand tough job site conditions. Its design effectively manages dust and water flow, ensuring a safe working environment. This saw is not just about performance, it's also designed for user comfort and safety. In summary, the DeWalt DCPS612 Powershift cutoff saw stands out as the best choice for professional use in 2026. It combines power, efficiency, and ease of use. If you're looking for a durable, efficient, and eco-friendly cutting solution, look no further than the DCPS612. Check it out now and experience a new standard in cutting technology.